Wow, wow, wow. Are you ready for this? That right there is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna show you how easy that was to make. Okay, we got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna take our chicken thighs. These are boneless. And we are going to trim off a little bit of the fat. These kitchen scissors come in handy. If you don't have them, I highly recommend them. So we're gonna go, I'm just gonna get rid of some of this excess fat here on the chicken. And then we throw this into the cast iron. Boom. Get our peppers. I always like to throw peppers in everything. Cut off the top guy there. This is not precision at all. This is just getting it done. The orange, so that's plenty of peppers. We won't need the third one. Take some pineapple. We can drain off some of the liquid. Pour the pineapple in there. Woo, that's gonna be good. We have this Paradise Pineapple Teriyaki Marinade. It's got seeds in there and stuff. So we're gonna throw that on. Shake it up. Got that. We have some chunky classic salsa for the hell of it. Well, with a little bit of this. There you go. Oven has been preheated to 350. Put that on. How long did that take? No time at all. Throw that into your preheated oven. And you go do your cardio. See you in about 2 hours. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. See how this chicken breaks up? That chicken is cooked perfectly. That's where we want it, falling apart. My mouth is watering again. Someone the other day said, why do people like burning their mouths? I don't like burning my mouth. But I do want to taste this for you, and I will let it cool down. Again, peppers, salsa, this teriyaki marinade, chicken, and pineapple. You put this over some rice. This was so easy to cook. It is so freaking good. Look at that. It took me no time to prepare, barely any time to clean up, put it in the oven, and that was it. I promise you, you're gonna wanna try this one. My mom would be so proud of me right now.